Hello, and thank you for joining me for this quick tour of my online teaching portfolio. My name is JCaruso, and I am an early childhood education student at Stockton University. You're looking at my homepage at the present moment. Clicking here will bring you to my About Me page. This page includes biographical information, my education history, a clickable copy of my resume, and several professional recommendations. This page brings you to my philosophy of education statement. This is a reflective essay I drafted, which captures my thoughts on the education profession and my desire to become an inclusive and inspiring educator for all. This page will bring you to my portfolio works. On this page here, the instructional technology projects, you will find a handful of the projects that I completed for this course. Clicking on this page, original lesson plans, will bring you to a page of original lesson plans that I created for both this course and some additional courses that I'm taking this semester as part of the TEDU program. Lastly, on this page, you will find anchor assignments and reflections. These are essays and more reflective assignments from my TEDU courses that capture intellectual exercises on education. Finally, this page will bring you to the photo gallery. These include pictures from my fieldwork experiences to date, but will be updated with more as they are available. Thank you for joining me on this tour. I hope you enjoyed my online portfolio.